let me start with this, though. Rick just pointed out that the yield curve, I don't mean to wonk out here, but it's the difference between the, I believe it was the 2-year and the 30-year, has become almost flat. If that yield curve inverts or goes the other way, that's usually the sign that recession is coming, right? What does a flattish yield curve tell you right now, Stephanie?
Well, the bond market is very confusing at the moment because the reason that the Fed officials are talking about tapering, and they're not even going to taper anytime in the near term, right? It seems like it. And they're not even going to raise rates until a year from now. But they're talking about tapering because the economy is actually booming. They just raised their GDP to 7% from 6.5% for this year. Inflation is running hotter than expected. They missed the inflation expectations by 100 basis points. They just revised it higher for the year. And I know that commodities have rolled over, and a lot of that is transitory. So I agree with the Fed in that regard. But look, I mean, even though lumber has fallen down substantially, it's still up 120% year over year. Energy's up 48% year over year. Transports are up 16% year over year. So, Tyler, I think we should be tapering, quite frankly. We don't need emergency policies. And that's why the bond market is confusing, because I think that they're thinking that this is a one and done kind of a growth spurt for this year, and then next year we return to trend. I don't see that in my forecast. So I think that this is an opportunity, especially in the cyclically sensitive stocks that have just gotten annihilated this week.
So let me make sure I'm understanding completely here. You do not see a return to a trend-type GDP growth in 2022. You see something quicker than that?
I actually, no, I mean, look, I think this year is going to be great, 7% plus. Next year is going to be, is it 5%? Is it 4%? But it'll stay above trend. And if that's the case, and by the way, it's driven by the stimulus and the fiscal and monetary, right? So, I mean, I do believe that that's going to carry the growth, and that's why you want to take advantage on some of these pullbacks in cyclicals and economically sensitive. You still want to have a barbell, though, overall, and have some technology as well.
So you gave me the perfect opening here. You want to take advantage of these pullbacks. What do we have today? A pullback. So in light of all this sort of confusion that the bond market is feeling, that maybe analysts are feeling, the fact that the Fed has missed, come up short on a couple of its forecasts, what do I do with my money right here, right now, today?
Well, I have a few names for you. And again, it's like trying to be diversified. But the themes that you'll see in all four of my names is really pent-up demand. And it's also reopen recovery. So Cisco, as you reopen, enterprise spend will actually recover. So will cloud and telecom spend. Their total orders are already starting to improve, 10% last quarter from 1% the quarter before. Match.com, flat on the year. They're doing a great job, but that's also pent-up demand and increased subscriber growth as people want to get out and date in person. And I like their M&A strategy with this Hyperconnect deal. It's going to be very synergistic. Freeport, I mean, the stock is down 14% in 5 days. In 5 days. And they're doing all the right things. They've cut CapEx. They're cutting their debt. And it's a global proxy for growth. And finally, American Express, that's also a reopen name. And you're already starting to see loan growth improve month over month, year to date.
I love that you've got Match.com as a reopening trade. Pent-up demand. I love it. Single and ready to mingle. We got to capitalize on that. Let's talk a little bit about your picks in the stock draft. We might go over them. One is Las Vegas Sands. It is down 11%. Boeing, however, is up a little bit, about 1.5%. This is obviously a marathon, not a sprint. We're about a month and a half into this race. How are you feeling?
Well, I mean, yeah, I've gotten dinged up a little bit in the last couple of weeks because of this rotation we've been talking about back into growth away from cyclical reopen. These are reopen names, Tyler, right? I mean, Boeing is a great company, and they're restructuring the company, new management team. And I do believe you're going to get China recertifying the 737 MAX sometime this year. That'll be a catalyst. Las Vegas Sands, they're shrinking to grow. They're selling their Las Vegas assets, and they're going to increase Macau, which is where I want to be. And so that's kind of those are the two plays, but they're reopened for sure.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.